Have you ever been denied an apartment or a loan for seemingly no reason? It might be your credit score. This three-digit number holds immense power, silently impacting everything from renting an apartment to getting the best interest rates on loans. But how exactly does this mysterious score work, and more importantly, how do you build a good credit score with Equifax, one of the major credit bureaus? Let's face it, financial jargon can be intimidating. But fear not, because today we're cracking the code on building a stellar Equifax credit score. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and actionable steps to take control of your financial future. Why Equifax? A credit bureau breakdown. There are three main credit bureaus in the United States: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each bureau collects information about your borrowing habits and compiles it into a credit report. This report details your credit accounts, payment history, credit utilization ratio, basically, how much credit you're using compared to your total limit, and even public records like bankruptcies. Lenders use these reports to assess your creditworthiness, your likelihood of repaying a loan on time. A good credit score with Equifax, or any bureau, indicates you're a responsible borrower, potentially unlocking lower interest rates, better credit card offers, and even smoother sailing when renting an apartment. Building your credit score from scratch. Maybe you're a college student or new to the credit game altogether. Building credit from scratch requires establishing a positive credit history. Here's your launchpad. Secured credit cards. Think of these as training wheels for credit cards. You put down a refundable security deposit that becomes your credit limit. Use the card responsibly, make your payments on time, and watch your credit score climb. Become an authorized user. This involves getting added as an authorized user on someone else's established credit card account with a good payment history. Their positive credit behavior gets reflected on your report, giving you a head start. Just remember, choose someone you trust who manages their credit responsibly. Pro tips for credit card users. Punctuality is key. This might be the golden rule. Late payments can significantly ding your credit score. Set up autopay or calendar reminders to avoid missed payments. Don't max out. Credit utilization is a big factor. Ideally, keep your credit card balance below 30% of your limit. This demonstrates you're not living paycheck to paycheck and relying heavily on credit. Don't go on a credit card spree. Applying for too many cards in a short period can trigger inquiries on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Be strategic with your credit card applications. Building credit beyond credit cards. Credit cards aren't the only game in town. Here are some alternative ways to build a healthy credit profile. Student loans. Responsible repayment of student loans can positively impact your credit score. Become a cosigner. If you have a friend or family member with a good credit history who needs a loan cosigner, consider this option. Just remember, you become legally responsible for the loan if the primary borrower defaults. Rent reporting services. Some rent reporting services can add your on-time rental payments to your credit report, boosting your score. Check with your landlord to see if they offer this service. Maintaining your credit score. Building a good credit score takes time and effort. Here are some practices to maintain your credit health. Monitor your credit report regularly. You're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every year. Check for errors and dispute them if necessary. Keep credit accounts open, even if inactive. A long credit history with responsible management is viewed favorably. Avoid closing old accounts unless they have annual fees you can't justify. Be mindful of hard inquiries. Inquiries triggered by applications for new lines of credit can slightly lower your score. Shop around for the best offers before applying. Remember, building a good credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, make responsible financial decisions, and follow these tips. You'll be surprised how quickly your Equifax credit score starts soaring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.